Now that Nick has his new employee set up in the back office, he needs to understand how to monitor the hours his employees work. In this course, Nick will learn about the time clock features in the back office.
I'm so glad you're here, Professor Silver. One of my baristas just told me that he forgot to clock in for his shift this morning. I'm not sure how to fix that.
I'd be happy to help. Select the employee's menu and then the time clock page in the back office. The time clock page in the back office allows you to review and update the current business day's time clock activity.
Oh, great. I can see Roger's time clock activity for today. It says open in the time in column.
To update Roger's time clock entry, select the entry from the list. When the dialog box appears, you can edit the time in field and save the changes. Any time clock entries edited in the back office will show an asterisk on the left side of the screen.
That's easy. Professor Silver, we'll be going to the city's Taste of the Town event next week to offer samples of our newest coffees. Because we'll be off-site, my employees won't have access to the POS app to record their time. How can I make sure that their shift gets recorded accurately?
You can add a new time clock entry for employees from the time clock screen. Select Add Clock In Out and select the employee name from the drop-down. Then you can select the time in and time out. You can also add a notation in the Notes and Comments field to indicate why you manually created the entry. Lastly, you can delete time clock entries on this screen by selecting the time clock entry and then selecting Delete Shift. The entry will still appear in the list, but it will be grayed out after you delete it. NCR Silver makes time card management so simple. You can edit employees' time cards and create new time card entries easily in the back office. You can also access the time clock report from this page, which shows all of the information you will need to run payroll.
Nick has mastered the employee section of the back office. He can set up user roles, manage employee profiles, and now he can manage his employees' time clock entries. In the next course, Nick will learn how to set up a loyalty program to reward his customers.